Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. This building that I'm sitting in right now at the Pakistan Consulate in New York, I am honored to host today Mr. Aamer Ahmad Atozai, the Consul General of Pakistan to New York.
My jurisdiction pertains to the northeast of the United States of America. They are not just contributing to the progress and development of the United States of America, but they are also at the same time contributing to the welfare of Pakistanis back home.
Promote Pakistan's rich heritage and culture.
One of it is that we have this Society of Foreign Councils here. We host quite few events wherein we bring in food, Pakistani dresses, artifacts. That is always a huge success. Friends of Pakistan is particularly aimed at, focused at, sincerely enthusiastic to work for Pakistan.